Hello guys. In today's video we'll be talking about ChatGPT, how to use it and what is ChatGPT. So to start with, ChatGPT is an artificial intelligent language model designed to understand and respond to natural language queries and conversation. It can be used to answer questions, generate text, and provide recommendation based on your output. To create an account, you head to openai.com. You click try ChatGPT, you log in on sign up, depending on you. After completing the sign up steps, you will find yourself on this home. So, ChatGPT, to use ChatGPT, simply type in your question or statement into the chat window down here, or platform that is integrated with the model, such as website or messaging app. The model will then analyze your input and generate a response based on its training data and algorithms. For example, if you ask what is the capital of, let's say, China, it will likely respond with the capital of China is Beijing. Yes. So similarly, if you ask ChatGPT for recommendation or where to eat in a certain city, it may provide a list of popular restaurants based on its understanding of preferences. Overall, ChatGPT can be a useful tool for quickly finding information or asking about anything. So let's say, what was the capital of China before? And he will look into history. Before Beijing became the capital of China, several other cities served as the capital at different times in China history. Some of the notable historical capitals of China include Xi'an, Nanjing, Luoyang. Sorry, I'm bad at pronouncing those nouns. Sorry for any Chinese people watching this video. So during the ancient and imperial periods. So with that, ChatGPT can answer any question you put. Let's see how to manage this. So you can edit your first question here, and he will generate another page with another different response. Let's see. Atlantis. Let's test this website. Atlantis is a mythical island mentioned in ancient Greek texts, and it is not believed to have actual existence. As such, it does not have a capital city. The story of Atlantis is considered to be a legend or a myth, and there is no scientific or historical evidence to suggest that it was a real place. See, its information is based on real things. It's not an imaginary website or artificial intelligence. You can click on regenerate response and see different response for your questions. There is no capital of Atlantis because Atlantis is a legendary. Oh, this website is getting angry. Better. So you can delete your page here and start a new page. They give you examples for question you can ask ChatGPT for. Explain quantum computing in simple terms. Got any creative idea for a 10 years old party birthday? How to make how do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript? Capability. Remember that user said earlier in the conversation. So if you said your name in the conversation, later he will call you by it. Allow user to provide follow-up corrections. Train it to decline inappropriate requests. Okay, this is useful. I mean, you know what is it. The limitation of ChatGPT may occasionally generate incorrect information. So it can answer a wrong answer. May occasionally produce harmful instructions or base content. Okay, limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. So that's why people are upgrading to ChatGPT Plus. It's available even when demand is high, faster to respond, and priority access to new features. The new features are not available on the normal version of ChatGPT. So here we can try another question. Let's give it a match. Solve this. Hx plus no plus 4y, it's equal to 1. Let's give it a try. Believe me when I say I don't know the answer. So he will take equation hx plus 4y equal 1 can be rearranged to solve for one of the variable terms of the other. Subtraction hx from both sides, we get 4y's equal to 1 minus 8x. Divide both sides by 4, we get y equal to 1/4 minus 2x. So the solution of the equation is equal to x, any number, any real number, and y should be 1/4 minus 2x. So you can ask any scholar question, any informative question, any scientific question, and he will answer. That's ChatGPT, and that's the artificial intelligence. See you on another video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.